Hello, and welcome to my video where I'm going to reveal how to make money on the internet with these 30 websites. From the comfort of your own home, you can go on each one of these 30 websites and earn money by clicking on advertisements, completing surveys, referring friends to that site, trying out new products, signing up to websites, playing games, downloading apps, watching videos, and or completing certain tasks. Most of these 30 sites are paid-to-click sites because I trust them the most, and they always pay you without any hesitation. I trust every one of these 30 sites, as there are thousands of these sites, and I narrowed them down to 30 for you. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, Twickers. Number 2, Rewarding Ways. Number 3, Super Pay Me. Number 4, Paid Verts. Number 5, Prize Rebel. Number 6, Word Links. Number 7, Jill's Click Corner. Number 8, Silver Clicks. Number 9, Bucks Inside. Number 10, Get Paid. Number 11, NeoBucks. Number 12, ClickBook. Number 13, Eldabucks. Number 14, Scarlet Clicks. Number 15, Clicks Blue. Number 16, YSense. Number 17, GPT Planet. Number 18, Family Clicks. Number 19, Golden Clicks. Number 20, AYU Wage. Number 21, Offer Nation. Number 22, Inbox Dollars. Number 23, Heed You. Number 24, InnoCurrent. Number 25, Donkey Mails. Number 26, Bucks Incorporated. Number 27, Swag Bucks. Number 28, Fusion Cash. Number 29, Proven Ad. Number 30, Paid to Click. You will find links to these sites listed in order in the description below. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you for choosing how to pronounce.